Morning. Last week we were learning about the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Just to quickly go over them. You can pause it if you want and read through this again, but I'm going to quickly go over it. The mode is generally when we're looking at these for junior cert, the mode is the number that appears the most. So in this example here, we have 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. So the mode would be 2 and 5 because 2 appears twice, and so does 5. The median is the middle value, so the middle number, if we have it, and we have to arrange the values in order. So we put them in order of increasing, okay? Increasing in size. So we have 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. You can see 5 is in the middle because we have 3 numbers to the right and 3 numbers to the left. The range, this is where we find the lowest and the highest value and we subtract them, and that's our range. So we order them again and we get our lowest value and we get our highest value and we subtract the two, and that will give us our range. And the mean, this is the one that I'd say is the least simple. The other ones are quite simple, I think, but the mean is a little bit more tricky. For the mean, you add up all the numbers. Usually there'll be numbers. You add up all the numbers and then you divide it. You divide this by the number of numbers that there are. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, and when they're all added together, they equal 32. And then we divide 32 by 7 because there are 7 values, 7 numbers. So 32 divided by 7 is the mean, 4.57. And you'll know the mean is sometimes referred to as the average, but in maths, okay, we're going to be using the mean. So the mean is the average, really. The average or the norm, it's even written here. Okay, so today we are going to revise a little bit of doing these sorts of questions. And I have attached a worksheet to the email that I've sent, but at a minimum, you have to do these 4 questions, okay? I'm going to do the first one with you, and then I want you to do question 2, 3, and 4 by yourselves. So, and then I've left some extra questions in the email, so if you fly through this and you want to do a few extra, have a look at the email. Okay, let's look at the median first. Okay, the median for question number 1. The median is the middle number, all right? So let's have a look and see the numbers here. We can clearly kind of see, because it's only 5 numbers, that the middle number here is 3. Because there's 2 numbers to the left and 2 numbers to the right. So we can say that our median number is 3. And it's quite handy because we didn't have to reorganize the numbers. They were already organized in order of size, 2, 2, 3, 8, and 10. All right, let's have a look at the next one. The next one is the mode. Now, the mode is the number that occurs the most frequently, okay? So 3 only occurs once, it's only there once, 8 is only there once, and 10 is only there once. So, but there are 2 2's. That means that 2 is our mode. And now we move on to the range. The range is the difference between the smallest and the largest value. So we have to do a little calculation here. So 10, which is our largest value, minus our smallest value, which is 2, that will give us 8. So our range is 8. Median is 3, mode is 2, range is 8. And finally, we're going to do the mean. And again, for the mean, we have to do a calculation, okay? And the first 2, we didn't really have to do any calculations. The third one, we had to do a small one, and this one here, we had to do a little bit more. The first thing we do for the mean is we add all the numbers together. Now, when we add these together, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 10 is 25. So now we have 25. That is the sum of all these numbers. Now, how many numbers were there? There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we divide 25 by 5, and that will give us our mean. Our mean is 5 because 25 divided by 5 is 5. And I'm just going to write in here mean because, and I'll put up the squares. No, I'll get rid of that. It's in the way. Okay, now I have done question 1 for you. This is an example of how to do it. So I want you now by yourselves to pause the video, and I want you to do question 2, question 3, and question 4. And I want you to do the median, the mode, the range, and the mean for all of them. If you fly through it and you want to do more, there is more in the worksheet that I attached to the email. Take a photo of these 4 questions once you have them done and send it to me so I know how you're getting on. That's it. Enjoy.